Embrace nature, creating a rustic garden oasis in your backyard. Introduction: The allure of rustic living. Welcome to the Grand Mansion channel. Today, we're diving into an enchanting topic that resonates with anyone seeking a deeper connection with nature, creating a rustic garden oasis in your backyard. Rustic aesthetics evoke feelings of warmth, simplicity, and tranquility, drawing inspiration from the natural world. As we explore this journey, you'll discover how to transform your outdoor space into a serene retreat that showcases the beauty of rustic design. If you enjoy this content, please consider subscribing, liking, and sharing your thoughts in the comments below. Your support helps us continue to inspire and create more meaningful content. Finding your vision, embracing rustic aesthetics. To begin your journey towards a rustic garden oasis, it's essential to establish a clear vision. Rustic design is characterized by its connection to the outdoors and use of natural materials. Picture a landscape filled with wildflowers, weathered wood, and natural stone elements. Take a moment to explore the styles that resonate with you. Do you envision a cozy, cottage-like space filled with blooming plants, or a more minimalist area with native grasses and wildflowers? Create a mood board using images that inspire you. This will help guide your design decisions and ensure that every element harmonizes with your rustic theme. Consider incorporating organic shapes and textures, as these are pivotal in rustic design. Curved paths, right plants, nature's palette. Once your vision is established, it's time to choose the plants that will bring your rustic garden oasis to life. Select a mix of perennials, annuals, and native plants to create a vibrant, layered effect. Native plants are particularly valuable as they are adapted to your local climate, support local wildlife, and require less water and maintenance. Think about incorporating herbs, vegetables, and fruits, as they not only add beauty but also functionality to your space. Consider using a combination of textures and colors to create visual interest. Lavender, for instance, provides a lovely aroma and attracts pollinators, while sunflowers add a cheerful pop of color. Group plants in clusters for a more natural look. This method mimics how plants grow in the wild. Building structures, rustic elements and accents. To enhance your rustic garden oasis, consider adding structural elements that reflect your theme. Think about incorporating wooden arbors, trellises, or rustic fences made from reclaimed wood. These features not only define the space but also add charm and character. For example, a weathered wooden bench can serve as a focal point where you can sit and enjoy your surroundings. Consider pathways that wind through your garden. Using materials like gravel, rustic bricks, or reclaimed wood creates a natural feel and encourages exploration. Additionally, consider installing raised garden beds made from untreated wood. These not only provide a functional space for planting but also add a visual layer to your garden design. As you build the spaces for reflection. An essential part of a rustic garden oasis is the inclusion of cozy nooks where you can relax and reflect. Creating intimate seating areas allows you to immerse yourself in the natural beauty around you. Think about using weathered furniture made from natural materials that blend seamlessly with your garden. Adirondack chairs or a rustic swing can serve as perfect spots to unwind while enjoying the sights and sounds of nature. Incorporate soft furnishings, such as cushions or blankets made from organic fabrics, to enhance comfort and warmth. Surround your seating area with fragrant herbs or blooming flowers to stimulate your senses and create a serene atmosphere. Consider adding a small fire pit or lanterns for evening gatherings, allowing your garden oasis to transform into a Water features, the soothing sound of nature. No rustic garden oasis is complete without the soothing presence of water. Incorporating a water feature, such as a small pond, fountain, or bird bath, can significantly enhance the tranquility of your space. The gentle sound of flowing water creates a calming atmosphere, inviting wildlife and providing a sensory experience that connects you even more with nature. When selecting a water feature, consider the scale of your garden. A small fountain may be ideal for limited space, while a larger pond can serve as a stunning focal point in a more expansive garden. Surround your water feature with native plants and stones to create a seamless transition between the element and the surrounding landscape. This addition not only enriches your garden visually but also attracts beneficial wildlife. Lighting, illuminating your garden oasis. As the sun sets, the right lighting can transform your rustic garden into an enchanting space. Consider using soft, ambient lighting to create a welcoming atmosphere. String lights draped between trees or along pathways can add a whimsical touch, while solar lanterns or candles can provide gentle illumination for your seating areas. Highlight key features in your garden, such as your favorite plants or water elements, with strategically placed lighting. This not only enhances visibility but also draws attention to the beauty of your design. Using warm, natural tones in your lighting fixtures will complement the rustic aesthetic, allowing your garden to feel cohesive and inviting. Remember, the right lighting can make your outdoor space usable well into the evening, creating opportunity. Maintaining your rustic garden, a labor of love. Creating your rustic garden oasis is just the beginning. Ongoing maintenance is crucial to ensure its longevity and vibrancy. Embrace the natural growth patterns of your plants, allowing some areas to flourish wildly while others are more manicured. Regularly check for weeds and pests, but try to maintain an organic approach to gardening whenever possible. Composting and mulching can enrich your soil while minimizing waste, contributing to a healthier ecosystem. Seasonal tasks are also essential. Pruning, dividing perennials, and planting new additions can keep your garden looking fresh and vibrant. As you care for your space, take time to reflect on the joy it brings you. Gardening can be a therapeutic activity, allowing you to connect not only with nature but also Conclusion: your rustic retreat awaits. In conclusion, creating a rustic garden oasis is a rewarding endeavor that allows you to embrace nature and foster a deeper connection with your surroundings. From selecting the right plants to incorporating charming structures and cozy nooks, every element contributes to a space that resonates with tranquility and beauty. We hope this video inspires you to embark on your own journey towards crafting a rustic haven in your backyard. If you found this content helpful, please consider subscribing to the Grand Mansion channel for more inspiring ideas and tips on rustic home living. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and share your thoughts or experiences in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Your support fuels our passion for bringing you fresh ideas to enrich your life and home. Embrace nature.